Can I build a Bandai model kit before my wife gets home from work? After yesterday's blunder, today we're gonna switch it up. Kid's still sick, so I gotta do all the housework and stuff like that. But we're gonna try and build something sweet today. It's 10 a.m. right now, so I got a little bit more time than I did yesterday. Kid seems to be feeling a little better. For today's build, we're gonna try and get the Eva Real-Grade, which is Unit-00, completed. First, let's see what we're working with. I've done the Unit-1, so it shouldn't be too far out of my wheelhouse. I got a lot of orange, white, some brown, red, and just a couple stickers and decals. So hopefully by the time they get home today, this will be complete. I don't want to get too ambitious too, but we also have the Eva paints for these.
Oh yeah, and this is 20 years old.
Today it's all about organization and just using time more efficiently, not rushing. Because I think last time the reason I failed was because I rushed, and that's why I broke. Zaku's also watching over us. Weapons are done. This thing is massive. Thank God for this. It's one of those things you don't think you'll need, but when you need it, you really need it. Right leg done. Hopefully this doesn't come back to bite me. Pizza. Yeah, now I have something to look at. But I need a waist to keep them up. You have the waist. Forgot how big these are. Oh. Nice. Alright, we got half the body done. Gotta figure out what to do with those. Definitely feeling more relaxed today. I think yesterday I just felt the pressure. 4 hours is pretty quick for a real grade, and you know, this is much more enjoyable. But I still have a long ways to go. And I just looked at the time. That's what I'm talking about. Just finished up the chest. I don't remember this piece being so wiggly. And I almost messed it up because I didn't push this part all the way down, so I was a little worried, but it looks like it's coming together pretty good. Oh. So I actually pulled out this one because that yellow on the neck, that is what was wiggly, so I'm assuming it's just to let it move a little bit. Should be good. I think I'll probably do some chores or something now just to give myself a break, and then once those are done, I don't have to worry about anything else unless something with my daughter comes up. Arms are coming along, but I think the problem is going to be the head. Because instead of using the stickers, I use the stickers in here. But instead of using the stickers, I just tried painting everything. This one came out good. And once that dries, I need to touch that up right there. Once that dries, I can put those in. But this is going to be rough. There is a really good assortment of hands though. I remember something similar to this, but with the one, but none of these backings fit the hands themselves. And you can see, so it's like 4 spread apart. Nothing like that. The trigger hand looks to be fine, so I guess that's just kind of the jank you get with 20-year-old kits. Building something that's almost the same or very similar to something you've already built is a really cool experience, and I would definitely recommend that to anyone because you get to see like how much you've progressed or maybe not progressed or how much faster you can do it, stuff like that. So yeah, highly recommend it. It doesn't have to be the exact same, but something similar can give you a nice little gauge. And there we go. I wasn't sure if I was gonna make it, but made it in the end. The wife just called. She'll probably be home in like 10 minutes, so there are some things I wish I could have done, like I guess you'd call it panel lining. But once I got to just kind of calm down and chill and get into the swing of things, everything turned out really good. So I will do a couple more things to this one before I consider it complete, but I would have definitely called this complete during the beginning parts of my modeling career. So yeah, I guess the takeaways would just be kind of relax. If it doesn't get done on time, have fun with it. And then if it does, those are on backwards. Oh no. Then great. Try and do some more challenges. But yeah, just appreciate the smaller things, and you can always touch up things later. So don't worry too much about super small details. So thanks for watching, and I'll get some pictures and videos when it's done. I have here what is pretty much the final product. I don't think I'm gonna do a whole lot more to it. Maybe paint these, but I didn't have any of the like military green. Those are the stickers I used. I only used the two up here on the shoulders. And the decals. One of them actually fell off, and it's right there. And I'm gonna save the other one for a mini 4-wheel drive because I will probably be making a Unit-00 in this color form too. So yeah, these are really cool. You just don't get these anymore. So if you ever get the chance to get them, this is it. And that's the name down there. Just make sure it's this one and not the LMHG, because the LMHG, while it's fun and it's cheaper, it's just not quite as good of quality. There's not as much separation between all the pieces and stuff like that. So yeah, this is sick.